Hi, I'm Justin from Freedom Retractable Screens. Today we're replacing another defective pleated fly screen with a Freedom Infinity Zipline. Unfortunately, a lot of homeowners choose pleated screens because the upfront price seems more appealing. However, once the pleated screen fails, the real cost is having to replace it after only a few years. Pleated systems rely on folded mesh and internal cords to keep their shape. Over time, the cords wear out, the mesh loses tension, it deforms, the screen stops operating properly, and it just looks terrible. Another thing we see quite often is limited warranties. Some pleated systems only come with a 12-month warranty. Others advertise longer coverage, but only for workmanship, not the screen, which is what fails. That's why so many customers end up upgrading to Freedom once their pleated screen deteriorates. Now that we've replaced the pleated screen, you can see the difference in design and build quality. Freedom Screens uses a single flat piece of mesh with no folds or creases. The mesh is welded onto a zipper and secured inside a track, keeping the screen perfectly tensioned with no gaps. So it looks just as good in 5 or 10 years as it does today. And with some simple maintenance, the screen will last even longer. You also get a patented braking system built into the handle. This means the screen only opens when someone intentionally uses it, and it can stop anywhere along the track. Another big difference is our warranty and support. Freedom retractable screens are made right here in Australia with local support and include a 5-year warranty for guaranteed reliability. This homeowner has also chosen to upgrade the screen to pet mesh, which is impact and scratch resistant. It also upgrades the standard warranty to include accidental impact cover. So if you or your pets damage the mesh, we'll replace it for free. If you're thinking about installing a fly screen at your property, don't be cheated by Pleated. And make sure to contact Freedom Screens and book a free measure and quote.